First, I'm going to prime my eye with the ColourPop concealer, and then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I'll be using the EYN Bright 42 color palette. Transition shade is Bare Necessity. My Sigma E40. With my Luxie medium angled brush, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. And with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer into my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with NARS Albatross highlight. I'm gonna apply this to my lid. I'm just gonna be using a flat brush because I really want to pack on and make almost like a cut crease. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup and a Q-tip, and I'm going to sharpen up my wing. So I did my face, and now I'm going to take a small brush. This is the Real Techniques Accent Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to take the ColourPop concealer and I am going to put that in my inner corner. Then back in with the EYN 42 Colorful Palette. I am going with bright orange color, and I'm going to apply that right into my inner tear duct. We'll be using the e.l.f. blending brush. just gonna blend this all around. This color is just so bright. I love it. It's that perfect like neon Halloween orange color. So now I'm just gonna flick it up. And then bring it down on my waterline. So this one's a little bit more vibrant than this one, so I'm gonna go back in with to line my bottom waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Provision eyeliner. I'm gonna tight line my top lashes. Apply some mascara. I'm gonna apply the NYX Liftscara, and then I'm gonna put on some false lashes. So the lashes I will be using are the Kiss Chiffon lashes. I have used these several times and they still look amazing, so.